colors that we're going to be using today. We're going to be using Quinacridone Violet, Cobalt Teal Hue, Primary Cyan, Dioxazine Purple, and Prussian Blue Hue. I think I'm going to put more of this color because we have a lot of dark colors in here. So I'm going to make a lighter color with white. I'm going to take some of this Cobalt Teal Hue, Titanium White Premium, and make this lighter. Okay, so these are the colors that we're going to be using, and for the white I'm going to use the primary, but I'm going to add the gloss medium to it. This gloss medium. Okay, so we're using this pouring mix, and I am putting the lid from this. I don't know if it's going to work. If it doesn't peel, I'm going to use it this way. If not, I will change. I will use this to fill in the pouring medium, because this way we can control the amount that we can put in there, you see? And I just want it to be fluid, but with some consistency. So I am adding gloss medium to the white, and I decided that I'm going to bring on a yellow color. I'm going to use raw sienna. And remember, the colors that you add first are the ones that are going to come out last. So they're going to be the ones on the center on the design. And I don't know why. These colors for me are like colors for flowers. That's why I'm adding this yellow. But I didn't want yellow to overpower. So this is probably not the yellow that I want. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a tiny bit of yellow in here. Let's see. Primary yellow inside of that. Why not? We have many colors in here. Let's see what we can do. We're going to leave these for the end. Probably we'll use this very dark one for the outside edge. And I'm going to start with the yellow. And I'm going to put only yellow there once, and I'm gonna put some white to lighten that, and then again the yellow. Okay, I'm gonna make sure that I put only the white on this side. So now I'm gonna put the pink, and I'm gonna put all the pink in there, and whatever is left is for the next pour. Then I'm going to put all the part of the blue, or let's put some white on the light area. See, I have 4 cups. I want to have 5 cups, so one more color. And the white. Okay. I was gonna use silicone and I forgot, so that's okay. So let's bring our silicone cup, and remember there is no silicone, only our DecoArt Premium medium. So I'm gonna make here Let's see what's gonna happen. Wanted to see how this medium works with this, and it's creating cells, but that's okay. We like cells. And I am going to torch it as soon as I finish stretching it. Going to put something in there because this canvas is not filled in. Maybe move it that way. And this way. And this way. Okay, let's move it this way. Probably leave it this way. I'm gonna leave it this way. Okay. Definitely easier to remove the paint with the gloves. So I'm going to now torch these because it didn't have any silicone, but it's bringing some cells, and I like it, and I like the colors that are creating in here. Wow. I like all those cells that are forming. This looks to me like candy. Very pretty. So I'm gonna bring all those cells. I wish I had put silicone and I forgot. Probably do another one with the silicone next time. Okay, this is so pretty, so pretty. It looks to me like if it was candy. You know, when they're making candy, that they stretch it and then they cut it. It is very, very pretty. And it's made with the DecoArt Pouring Medium. Fabulous Pouring Medium. Please get it. Go get it. There's some places that already have it. Thank you for joining me. Please come back for more. Bye-bye.